Today's update at Camp Nou brings massive progress across the entire construction site, with action happening in multiple key areas at once. From the exciting lifting of a new compression ring pillar to steady development in the ceramic llamas and sandwich panel sections, everything is moving forward with real momentum. This is one of those updates you don't want to miss. So let's jump straight into the progress. A key moment of progress appears here, as new supports for the ceramic llamas have now been installed along the lower brackets. This marks one of the first zones where this important development step is clearly visible. This progress is crucial, as it signals that cladding work could begin soon. Even though some upper elements are still pending, the connection between different stadium sections is now moving forward. Now comes the biggest highlight of the day: the lifting of a massive pillar for the compression ring, marking a major step forward in structural progress. After a few adjustments, the crane successfully begins raising the pillar into position. The scale is impressive, and the coordination between workers reflects high-level precision and progress. The operation runs smoothly, showcasing the engineering strength behind this project. Interestingly, this pillar features a slightly different top design compared to others, suggesting ongoing structural evolution and technical refinement as progress continues. Moving through the lateral area, we can clearly see an increase in overall progress. Multiple lifting platforms are active, workers are moving across scaffolding, and concrete work is advancing in the lower sections. Anchor installations and structural adjustments are also progressing well, showing that this area is gaining strong momentum. At the North Goal corner, progress becomes even more visible with the installation of ceramic llamas. Several colored panels are already in place, and another one is being lifted during the recording. The visual transformation is progressing beautifully, with colors and patterns starting to define the stadium's exterior. With multiple sections ready, faster progress is expected in the coming days. Across this section, anchors and guidelines are being carefully aligned, showing detailed preparation progress. Workers are ensuring everything is perfectly positioned before continuing with further installations. This stage is critical, and once completed, it will unlock faster progress in llama installation across multiple areas. In the middle section of the North Goal, sandwich panel installation continues to show steady progress. Workers are positioning new panels while preparing upper levels for the next of development. Nearby sections are also progressing toward llama installation, with anchors already in place and ready for the next step. In the Tribuna area, progress continues across multiple levels simultaneously. Sandwich panels have reached the first overhang, while upper sections are still advancing. Concrete work is actively progressing, with pumps supplying material to higher levels. At the same time, finishing work and protective coatings are being applied, pushing this area further toward completion. In the outer corner section, workers are applying finishing materials to beams and surfaces, adding another layer of visible progress. Some areas still require painting and detailing, especially around exposed steel elements. Railing supports are also being installed along the edges, marking steady progress toward final structural detailing. To wrap things up, today's update highlights strong and consistent progress across the entire site. From the impressive pillar lift to the ongoing installation of llamas and sandwich panels, every section is moving forward. With activity increasing in multiple zones, the pace of progress is clearly building. The next updates promise even more exciting developments. So stay tuned.